Using Secunia PSI will automatically detect and update all browser and browser extensions and plugins, but you should still set all these to automatically update. And I'll show you how to do that now. So let's look at Firefox to start with. And let's just simply check for updates. And that's done here on the question mark and about Firefox. And when you click on there, this will check to see whether you have the latest updates. And you can see here Firefox is up to date. So this is the latest Firefox. And if it was not, it would start to download the latest version and then ask you if you want to install it. Now we also want to make sure that it's set to automatically update. So if we go here, options, and then to advanced, and then on the update tab, here we can set this to automatically install updates, and this is recommended. And I would also set this to warn me if this will disable any of my add-ons, because if you do updates, some of your add-ons may be disabled because they haven't been updated to work with the latest version. I mean, obviously it's up to you if you want to change these, but to check for updates, but you should definitely at least be checking for updates and then making a decision yourself. But this is a recommended setting. If you want to look at the previous history of updates, you would click on here, and you can see here we have a fix, and you can look at the details of the fix as well, and tell you what it's actually fixed. So that's useful. We also want to make sure that the extensions are up to date. That's very important. So we need to go here again, add-ons, and then on plugins or extensions, you can see here we've got this drop down box, and we want update add-ons automatically. And here as well, we can check for updates. We can click here and check for updates as well. So if we click on here, check for updates, and it's checking. No updates are found in this case, but if there was some updates, they would appear here and they would update. Very important to make sure that this is updating as well. Now, there are some other things that update, so to do with malware and phishing, but these are automatically set to update, so we're not going to change those because they are good for security. Later, when we consider privacy, we will look at those options as well. Now, if you're looking for more detailed information on Firefox, you can type in about.support, and you'll be presented with this page. And on here, you can find out a lot more detailed information on the configuration. So for example, if you're interested in the details of the plugins, if you click on the plugins link, you can see more details here. There is also plugin check, which is external, which does a check on your plugins to see whether they need to be updated, but it does the same as what this check does here by checking like that. If you're having problems with Firefox, you can start it in safe mode. If you come down here, click on restart with add-ons disabled, or restart it with the add-ons disabled. You can also go to about.config or about.config, and you'll be prompted here, are you sure that you want to continue, because changing these settings here could have detrimental effect on the browser, and it's true, so don't change any of these things apart from where I'm instructing you to. And here you can see all of the background configuration settings that you can change.